Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Trailhead Ranger NJ, and in our today's video we'll be covering the streaming data transforms in the data cloud quick look. In our last video we have covered customer 360 data model for data cloud because for some reason my audio was distorted and was not audible properly, so I have put the music over there, but let's hope that it will turn out fine this time. So yeah, we are doing this series for this trail mix, that is unlock your data with data cloud, where we are learning about the data cloud to become a data cloud consultant. So without wasting any more time further, let's get started with this, that is streaming data transforms. Let's open this module, and in this module we are talking about what is the streaming and how we are utilizing the data transforms along with that. So let's start. So yes, we are talking about the streaming data transform, what it is and what its primary use case. So basically the streaming data transform allow us to have the data in near real time to enter the system and make the modification according to ourselves. So basically we can modify the selected amount of data even on the scheduled amount of time, and for that we can utilize batch transform. So if we see, here is the one of the examples. So what happens is, from data stream, using the data stream we have the data from the data source that we can see in the data lake objects. Then we normalize the data using the target DLO, or maybe using the DMO. We map the data to the DMOs, that is the data model object. Then we utilize either the calculated insights, segmentation, or the activation to make the data more organized. So if we want to do the data transform, what we need to do, we will be reading the data or the records from the data lake object, that is the source data lake object, and we'll be running a SQL query on that to modify the incoming data, and then we will be mapping that target data lake object to the data cloud or the data model in the DMOs. So where we can find the data transform, we are having a data transform tab. There we will click on new, then it will give us option that what kind of data transformation we want to do. We can choose the option of streaming data transform, and here is one of the examples. So suppose there is two customer, that is John and Peter. They are having mobile phones as this, like mobile phone and the work phone by John, and Peter is having home phone or the work phone. So after normalizing the data, how we will be having the transform data, it will look something like this, that the customer one will be having two records with the phone number and phone type we can create, that is the mobile and work. Similarly, customer 2 will be having two phone numbers having the phone type as home and the work. Then we can monitor the status of the streaming data transform as well. We can go to the data transform tab, and then we can click on the name of the streaming data transform which we have just created, and we can click on the refresh history. Now let's come to the quiz. So in our quiz, our first question is, that is, which are the examples of good use cases for the streaming data transforms. First option is normalizing data. Second option is sharing data. Third option is joining with another data lake object. And D option is A and B or A and C. So A and C should be the correct one. Let's see. Second question is, where do you click the new button to set up a streaming data transform? So first option is data streams, second is data transforms, third option is data model, and the last option is data action targets. So data transform, B option should be the correct one. Let's check. Okay, so this one is correct. So normalizing data is obviously correct. Let's see. And it's done. So we are done with this module, that is streaming data transformations in the data cloud quick look. So I hope you get the bit understanding of the data transform. So don't worry, later on we'll be doing all this practically. Currently we are trying to do the trailheads only, so just a bit of theoretical knowledge is also fine. And in our next video we'll be covering this module, that is batch data transforms in data cloud quick look. So here we talked about streaming data transforms. Next we will be talking about batch data transform. That is also going to be a very short module. So if you like the video, please like it and subscribe the channel, and stay tuned for more. If you have any question, any doubt, any feedback, any opinion, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll be watching, I'll be seeing your comments and will be responding as soon as possible. So thank you and stay tuned.